Omo Wahala, Verydarkman is officially getting the recognition he deserves. Verydarkman has just been given a chieftaincy title. Verydarkman was bestowed a new title in Osun State. Verydarkman was just bestowed the title of Atayese, one of Nigeria, by the traditional ruler of Iwoland in Osun State, who goes by the name His Royal Highness Adewale. Okay, guys, this is massive. Verydarkman arrived Osun State in grand style as he was welcomed at the palace of the traditional ruler, where Verydarkman was welcomed. He was seen prostrating to greet the traditional ruler. He was welcomed, and he was also, like, a lot of discussion went down. The Rattle movement was there massively to show support, and Verydarkman expressed his gratitude for this kind of recognition. And the traditional ruler also praised Verydarkman for his astonishing work he has been doing, his activism, and the passion he has to see the country grow. And after the whole thing, then give Verydarkman chieftaincy title today. See how Baba dress up now. Baba is ready. Or more. This one a very fantastic one. Verydarkman was so happy as they give him this new title. I don't know what it means. I don't know. My Yoruba brothers, we did the comment section. Mona tell us the meaning of this new chieftaincy title where they give the Rattle Presido, the Atayese, one of Nigeria. Make una tell us the meaning. I beg. Make una tell us the meaning. Make we know what this chieftaincy title mean.
I beg, get out back, please. I beg.
Sorry, ọmọ Kusale. Sorry, Obi Ayo. Atakebi. VDN is a traditional man. He knows tradition, so don't worry. Okay. Now, please, before I invite you to the microphone, hello, please, one house, please. Before I invite VDM to the microphone, I've seen the speech by Rattle movement in one chapter. So I want them to read the speech first. So after their speech, I'll go to the president. So after the president's speech, we listen to our father. Huh? Thank you so much. Please, let's put the house together for the Raphael presentation.
So well on.
You want to listen to BDM? Yeah. If you want to listen to BDM, I know you like to listen to Atayese as well. Yeah. When I was introducing our real fathers, my brother that just came in, I forgot him. So despite the fact that myself do not fall in the category. I am arguably in the category of the youth because I am above 45. But today I can tell you, VDM is my president. That shows father has been able to secure hundreds of scholarships for students who are willing, who are thirsty of education. Our father has been able to place the name of this community, of this kingdom, in an enviable portion on the global map. Today, I want to introduce to us His Imperial Majesty, Baba Oba Adewale Akanbi, Ilufemiloye, Telu Akoko. But it's fearless. Bigger animals. I've seen videos, I've seen documentaries where bigger animals attack only by that. Yeah, at the end of the day,